어서 오세요. Welcome. I'm Sarang, the manager of this guest house. You're Sophia, right?
Oui. Yes, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Come on in. Make yourself at home. Have you had dinner yet? We're starting a barbecue party soon. Would you like to join us?
Sorry, I don't eat meat.
Oh, really? We've got fish and salad as well. Feel free to join us if you'd like to chat with the other guests.
That sounds great. I'll unpack my things and come right away.
Everyone, we have a new guest.
Bonjour. Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from France.
Oh, hello. I'm Caroline, and I'm from America.
Hi, I'm Sam from Australia.
你好
I'm Tao. I'm from China. I arrived here today as well.
Nice to meet you all. I can help too.
こんばんは My name is Haru. I'm from Japan. Nice to meet you.
Good evening. I'm Gabriel from Canada. Shall we get the samgyeopsal party started?
I'll show you how to eat it the best way. If you put pickled radish, meat, grilled garlic, kimchi and samjang on a lettuce leaf and eat it all in one bite. It tastes amazing. We call this sam, and you have to eat it in one bite. So you should make it small enough to fit your mouth.
Wow! I want to try.
This bottle opener looks like Thor's hammer. As a fan of Thor, I really love it. Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall open the Coke.
Haha, that's really interesting. Now, can you pour me some Coke?
By the way, Sam, what does it say on your t-shirt?
I forgot the meaning. I saw a photo of Chris Hemsworth, who plays Thor, wearing this t-shirt, and then I found the exact same one in Hongdae.
난 예뻐. It means I'm pretty.
Haha! That reminds me of those t-shirts with funny English phrases on them.
By the way, Haru, you can read hangul.
I've just started learning Korean, so I'm still not very good at it.
Hangul? Does that mean the Korean alphabet?
Yes, hangul is the Korean phonetic alphabet. You can mix and match the characters to create up to 11,172 unique syllables, and they're all easy to sound out.
When hangul was created, it was said that you can learn it in as little as one morning or up to 10 days, even if you're not a genius. Hangul is simple and logical, making it quick and easy to pick up.
Wow, how did you know that?
I'm a history professor in the United States, and my research includes Korean history as well. Did you know that when hangul was first introduced, it faced a lot of opposition?
Why would people oppose it?
Let me start with how it was first created. To talk about hangul, it's important to know about King Sejong. King Sejong was a remarkable king in Korean history. He was an early king in the Joseon dynasty, which is the older name for modern-day Korea. He wanted a writing system that was easy for everyone to learn, so more people could read and write in Korean. With the help of a team of scholars, he personally created hangul, and he said that these 28 letters of hangul are called the correct sounds for the people. Hangul was completed in late December of 1443 and officially promulgated by King Sejong in 1446. It is one of the youngest writing systems in the world. Hangul is entirely native to Korea.
But if the Korean language has been around so long, why was hangul introduced?
Before hangul was created, Koreans had to use Chinese characters to write. King Sejong himself wrote. The Korean language is different from Chinese, so it is hard to express Korean by using Chinese characters. Hence, many people having something to put into words are unable to express their feelings. To overcome such distressing circumstances, I have newly devised 28 letters that everyone can learn with ease and use with convenience in daily life. Hangul was first made with 28 letters, but now only 24 are used. The king's choice to help illiterate people, like women and lower classes, was not popular. Some nobles and powerful figures thought thought Korea should be trying to be more like China and that lower classes didn't need literacy. Despite opposition, hangul flourished among ordinary people, fulfilling King Sejong's vision of a simple, easy-to-learn writing system for everyone.
Wow, that's amazing.
To me, hangul looks like pictorial shapes, so it feels really interesting and fun.
King Sejong used advanced linguistic principles to design the shapes of his letters. Consonants were modeled after the shape of the mouth when the sounds are made, while the vowels were inspired by Taoist spiritual principles. For example, the consonant gyok and nyun were modeled after the shape of the tongue when they are pronounced. Shiot was based on the shape of the teeth, myung on the shape of the mouth, and iung on the shape of the throat. You can also see the Taoist meanings of the basic vowel shapes.
Wow, I didn't know hangul had such a great story. It really makes me want to learn it.
Do you really think that it's possible to learn hangul in just in days?
Sure, if you study hard every day, you will definitely be able to do it.
Aha! Why don't we have hangul study time every night? If you want to learn, I can teach you.
That sounds great, mate. I'd love to join.
That's a good idea. I was already planning to get a hangul book and start studying.
Sebon, that would be really helpful for traveling around Korea.
This is the textbook I used to study hangul. I'll keep it in the living room, so feel free to look at it anytime. It explains how to write vowels and consonants, and how to put them together into hangul blocks.
Oh, Annyeong Hangeul. I studied Hangul with that textbook too. There was a word list at the end, and it included terms related to K-pop and Korean dramas that I really like.
Having that textbook will make it much easier for your friends to learn hangul.
Okay, let's wrap things up. If you want to enjoy your trip tomorrow, it might be a good idea to tidy up and get some rest early.
All
right. Let's clean up.
Sam, I wanted that t-shirt too, so I searched for it. But turns out, the hangul was just photoshopped onto the image.
What? I bought it because I really thought he was wearing a hangul t-shirt.
You've all been listening carefully to Hangul's story, right? I have 3 quizzes for you. Listen closely and try to guess the missing word. I'll give you 3 seconds for each question. Number 1. Hangul is the Korean phonetic alphabet. Number 2. Hangul was created by King Sejong with help from a team of scholars. Number 3. Before hangul, Korean people used Chinese characters to write things down. Did you enjoy today? If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to see what other stories are coming up at this guest house.
We're starting our hangul study tomorrow night. You'll get to learn vowels, consonants, batchim, and pronunciation rules step by step. And this textbook will really help you, so be sure to check it out. See you in the next video.
Annyeong Hangeul helps you organize everything you're learning. It shows how to read and write Korean step by step, including stroke order we don't fully cover into the video. With English pronunciation guides and space to practice, it is especially helpful for self-study. You can follow the video without it, but using both together makes your foundation much stronger.
사이좋게 아름답게